Hello guys, in today's video watch one of the most powerful rugged tablet this year, the first and only 66-watt fast charger tablet among all the rugged tablet brands. Currently it comes with the fastest 4G processor on the market, Helio G99, 22,000 mAh massive battery, 4-box surround speakers, 10.4-inch 2K Incell Display and much more. Be sure to watch this FOSSiBOT DT2 Rugged Tablet video review and learn more. FOSSiBOT is one of the most fastest growing and leading companies excelling in the realm of rugged smartphones and tablets. Recently they unveiled the latest innovation, the FOSSiBOT DT2 tablet. Let's kick things off by delving into the unboxing experience of this new beast. So let's see what we have in this orange box. Right at the beginning it's our DT2 tablet. We will put it a little aside for now. What else do we have here in the box? Well, we get a lot of nice things and accessories with this tablet, so let's start in order. Paperwork such as a DT2 user manual written in many languages, warranty certificate, and there is also a SIM pin. Here is USB Type-C charging cable, 66-watt super fast charger, the only such among the rugged tablet in the market. It can charge this huge 22,000 mAh battery in just 2 hours and 50 minutes. So we also have this leather handbelt, metal holders, screws and a small screwdriver. This leather handbelt, which we install with the screws and hooks, is very light and simple. It is used for easy handling of the tablet in one hand. It's very useful in some workshops and can also prevent the tablet from falling out of your hands. Okay, that was the content of this sales package, and now we can move on to our tablet. The FOSSiBOT DT2 looks like a ruggedized tablet, should look like a brutal, massive and exudes reliability at first glance. The main color of the tablet is a black, but it has a silver colored decorative elements on the back. On the corners we can see how they are reinforced with additional protective rubber in case of falls. The design of the back cover looks modern and trendy. It looks like stylized chip with a three-dimensional and sometimes texture elements made of a rubber that is anti-slip. Very nice. The brand logo is located in the middle of the back and its upper corner. It is an effective metal camera module consisting of 2 lenses and an impressive huge LED flashlight. On the top of the tablet we find the power button, and right next to it are the volume buttons, and a little further we see the fingerprint reader. On the side, protected by rubber cover that guarantees 100% waterproofness, we find a SIM card tray in which we can have 2 nano 4G SIM cards at the same time, or option of 1 SIM and 1 TF card of up to 2 TB. Next to it, also under the protective rubber cover, there is USB Type-C charging port. On the side there is 2 speaker grills, the same ones also found on the opposite side, so we have a total of 4 speakers that give us a great powerful stereo hi-fi surround sound, great for listening to music, watching videos or while playing video games. The front showcases the extensive 10.4-inch FHD Plus display, 1200 by 2000 pixels, adorned by a slightly wider bezels, a thoughtful design choice for a rugged tablet. The device's expansive bezels enhance the tablet's ergonomic feel, providing a comfortable grip without the concern of unintentionally touching the display. Positioned above the screen are the front camera and the light sensor. The impressive 32 megapixel camera ensures high definition video calls and meetings, allowing you to effortlessly stay connected with your loved ones. An added bonus is the presence of a protective film on the display, offering an extra layer of protection. With its FHD Plus IPS display technology, the DT2 screen presents a vibrant array of colors, contrast and details. The 1200 and 2000 pixel resolution ensures that each pixel contributes to a visual stunning canvas, sharp and immersive for photos, movies and gaming adventures. Yet it's not just about the numbers, it is about experience. The DT2's screen offers dynamic range, adding a new dimension to every visual encounter. Navigate to the DT2 screen is like gliding on glass, smooth, fluid and responsive. The touchscreen technology tracks every touch, swipe and gesture precisely, turning your actions into immediate results. Whatever you are sketching, typing or simply exploring, the screen's responsiveness becomes an extension of your creativity. Watching videos becomes a genuine pleasure, with the tablet supporting up to 36 hours of HD video playback. And let's not overlook the rugged nature of the tablet. This isn't just a fragile piece of glass, it's built to endure. The screen is foretold to withstand the challenges of the real world, being accidental drops, rough hanging or exposure to elements. Okay, now let's go to the back of the tablet again. As I already said, and as you can see, this is another unavoidable detail, and that is this large LED light. This powerful light can be used not only for taking photos and videos, but also as a lighting. So it's useful for outdoor scenes such as camping and during power outages. Very useful thing. Right above we can see a striking round camera module that contains two lenses. The main one is a 64 megapixel. The main camera software consists only of basic functions and settings for recording photos and videos of up to maximum resolution of 2K and 30 fps. I'm not going to talk about the camera in detail. I took some photos and videos with our DT2 while walking outside. To see how it turned out, let's see in the continuation of this video. Looking at this design, it's important to highlight that this tablet features a 360-degree all-around tough body, offering exceptional water and drop resistance with IP68 and IP69 ratings. It also meets the military standard MIL-STD-810H for shock resistance. Tough falls, water spills and dirt are no match for its sturdy construction. The DT2 has undergone thorough testing, enduring drops from a height of 1.5 meters and handling temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius. Additionally, it can confidently stay for submerged in the water at a depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes, making it a ideal companion to outdoor enthusiasts and the professionals who need a device that can keep up with their active lifestyle. This tablet is simply designed to withstand and excel in extreme environments. Running on the softer side, FOSSiBOT DT2 is based on the latest pure Android 13, so we can cover it with all the latest Google features and the possibilities, dual 4G LTE and even Wi-Fi 6 for even better, faster and more stable internet connection. Now delving into the memory configuration, the DT2 sets a new standard with an excellent 12GB of base RAM, and it gets even more impressive by utilizing the extended 8GB RAM feature. It can reach a huge 20GB of RAM in total, which further accelerates and makes work on this tablet even more fluid. In terms of storage, the tablet offers 256GB of rapid UFS 2.2 storage, expandable of up to massive 2TB for those seeking additional storage capacity. The DT2 is driven by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, a powerhouse constructed using TSMC's state-of-the-art 6nm technology. This chipset is acclaimed for its advanced energy efficiency and currently holds the title of the fastest 4G chipset on the market. For dedicated gamers, this tablet is a true delight. It seamlessly handles the most demanding games found on the Google Play Store, providing peak performance even in the highest graphical settings. With its robust hardware and cutting-edge 7-dimensional graphene field cooling system, the DT2 actively regulates its temperature, preventing any overheating issues during intense gaming seasons. Furthermore, the tablet's huge 22,000 mAh battery guarantees extended 60 hours of uninterrupted gaming, which is truly incredible on the tablet. If you are amateur gaming enthusiast who relish plays the latest titles, this tablet certainly warrants seriously considerations. Of course, all this with the support of a 66-watt super fast charger, the only such among the rugged tablets in the market. It can charge this huge 22,000 mAh battery in just 2 hours and 50 minutes. Most rugged tablets have batteries with average power in the range of around 7,000 mAh to 10,000. The DT2 huge battery has autonomy of up to 1,800 hours of standby, 110 hours of calling, 145 hours of listening to music, 36 hours in a video playback and 16 hours playing games. This is a sure guarantee to extend your periods of entertainment or work. The FOSSiBOT DT2 sets a new benchmark in the tablet market. Extended to meet MIL-STD-810H, IP68 and IP69K resistance standards, this tablet isn't just tough, it's a survivor. Whether you are an adventure explorer or a dedicated professional or someone determined to achieve greatness, the DT2 is ready to exceed your expectations and redefine your tablet experience. I can confidently say that the DT2 will not disappoint you in any way. As a reminder, the official sales links are provided below this video. Make sure to check them out, act fast and secure your new FOSSiBOT DT2 today at a promotional price. This is your chance to own this exceptional survival grade tablet. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon with the next video review. Bye.